Earlier this week, villagers of Tarapung area voluntarily came forward to repair the road connecting Dolamara and Tarapung area, falling under Nilip constituency due to its impassable road condition. The villagers had contributed a sum of ₹100 each to meet the expenses used while carrying out the social work throughout the day. Villagers informed that various political parties had governed the council, be it ASDC, INC or the ruling party BJP. Yet no any government had paid any heed towards the construction of the road. This had compelled the villagers to remain disconnected most of the time during monsoon season from the mainland. The villagers are forced to carry the ill and sick patients with the bamboo stretchers and so on. The villagers also informed that all the political parties know the pain, sentiments and grievances of Tarapung areas only during the election period. Hence, due to the betrayals from the government and ignoring the difficulties of the people of Tarapung, they had come forward and voluntarily repaired the road without the help taken from anyone.
Basi nimitum sorkar pen pini akirap natukali nimitum jongjung rong nimitum baik doan pusin nimitum tingki cetan cingwai konsi nimitum la bangsin cipitik mangsi mina ningke hang ateng kansi nimitum tempon.
RG Sonrong Pars report from Dalamara, Karbianglong Live.